Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. As always, I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you how I made this eggplant stew or garden egg stew. In Ghana we call this Abomu. It's so delicious and I hope you give this a try. It takes no time to make, and guys, this will finish in no time. It will be ready in no time. You need to try this recipe. So I'll start by grilling my eggplant. Where I live, it's very difficult to find garden eggs, so I'll use eggplant for this recipe. Garden eggs works as well, they are all from the same family. So I'll grill that and then grill my tomatoes and the onion as well. When doing it on the fire like this, stay close to it and keep turning it. If not, you can put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So guys, all you have to do is to stay close to it and keep turning it until it's ready. So when you get to this point, as you can see, it's easy, the skin easily peels out and then it's soft inside. That means your eggplant is ready. I'm going to take it out from the fire and then take out the tomatoes as well. I'll roast a bit the habanero pepper, and then I'll use fermented fish as well. I'll roast that one a bit also before using it. I'll then add my eggs to water, and this is salted fish. I'll cook that separately. So guys, let's start with the stew or with the sauce. I'll grind onion, the habanero pepper, the fermented fish and the tomatoes. I'll grind these ingredients together. So guys, I'll grind it until it's almost smooth, just like so, and add in the rest of the ingredients. I'll then add in the garden eggs or the eggplant. I'll grind until it's smooth. Or almost smooth. So this is it. Basically this is it. You only have to grill your ingredients or put it in the oven, and then when it's done, you grind them all together at once. I'll then add in fish powder and half Maggi cube. Because of the fermented fish, it's also salty, so I didn't want to add in salt or that much salt. If not, the stew will be much, it will become salty and it wouldn't be nice. Later I'll add in mackerel fillet. You can use sardines as well. In a different saucepan, I'll preheat my oil. I added red onion, white onion and green chili pepper. I'll preheat it for some minutes and then add it to the sauce. So basically this is it. It's very simple to make, guys. I told you it's very easy. I'll then add in the eggs, the salted fish, and that's it, guys. So sometimes when you have avocado, you can eat it with it, and this goes well with yam, with plantain, with potatoes, name it. I hope you give this a try, guys, and I hope you like this video. Comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. You're always invited. I cannot eat without you guys. You're invited.